Today we had the pleasure of installing the new Morimoto XB LED headlights on a 370Z. As most of you 370Z owners are aware, they have very limited options for a car that's been running for 13 years. These headlights are actually fully plug and play for your 370Z. They come with bi-LED projectors, 3 of them to be exact. I know that on the website it says that it's a sequential turn signal. I just want to clarify that it is not a sequential turn signal. I will get with Morimoto on that a little bit later and give you guys some updates. It does have a DRL function and of course the parking lights and LED. At the bottom of the headlight is Morimoto's LED driver, which powers all of the LEDs. The headlight is completely plug and play as stated earlier. It's super easy to install. The only one piece of wiring that you're going to end up having to do is running that relay to power the DRLs, which is pretty easy, right? One thing to note, as you can see, the adjuster screws are very easy to access. You have a horizontal and a vertical horizontal screw. One thing to note is that do not turn either of those screws more than 3 complete full rotations either way. The relay accompanying the headlights is to enable the DRL function. It is completely optional, however, why would you not want to utilize it? The overall install took us about 3 hours, however, that's because we were documenting. It should take anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. On to the install. This headlight, you have 1, 2, 3 for these, but on the new headlight, 1, 2, and there's a pin, so you don't need a 3rd screw. There's a pin here.